help and advice for the newer ham, especially the younger ones, the teenage ham. You can see I'm going to lead by example. On my deck is some eave trough parts, and well, there's the 6-meter Yagi that I began, and well, more shed parts. Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing. More shed parts. Pile of weeds, right? Pile of weeds. Hang on, I got something to show you. I'm going to pause you. Recycling, because we're being robbed. We have to pay 10 cents per container, but we're not allowed to return them. Sorry about that. It's not right. And what else isn't right is this pile of weeds that's been laying here for, well, I'm not saying how long. Anyway, help and advice for the newer ham. If your old man, or even the ham in his 20s, right? Who's living in Dad's basement. If you should be issued an ultimatum like, clean up the damned weeds or get out. Before you cry out, can't we be reasonable, Dad? Play the other card. Play the money card. Say, sure, Dad. I'll be glad to. You're right. I've been remiss. Hang on. But see, Dad, I know I've been shirking my duties, but I've been building a real lightweight and real cheap Yagi for 6 meters, and I was hoping that it might help guide me into my future career of high pay and great benefit to humanity. That's all, Dad. Here, let me start on the weeds now. I'm sorry. Yeah, if my kid did that, I think I'd say his tears ran down my cheek. Oh, don't worry about it, son. Oh man, that sounds like Bill Clinton. Don't worry about it, son. I'll get the weeds. Oh man, I want you to have a good career. 73.